What's up everybody, Abel here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on on the OPPO F9. Let's go! Alrighty, so this is another mid-range phone by OPPO. The F9 features a MediaTek P60 processor, which isn't so bad, honestly guys, it's not that bad. 6GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, 6.3-inch display, and that's the water drop notch, as you can see right here. It's pretty nice. 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual rear camera, fingerprint, and then for the battery, it is a... hold on for a second. 3500 milliamp battery. Not bad. If you take a closer look behind here, this is what they call the diamond cutback design, and it's very cool. What we have here is called the sunrise red model compared with the starry purple and twilight blue. I probably prefer this model because, you know, it's how seamlessly the purple connects to the red here, and if you look at different angles, it reflects this scaly like diamond reflection over here. So yeah, well done OPPO, very good. Another feature that OPPO introduced on this phone is the VOOC fast charging technology, which is nothing new, but this is the first time for the F series, so we're gonna do a test run on how fast it can charge right now. So that's all about the OPPO F9 hands-on. It's now available for pre-order in Malaysia for 1,399 ringgit. Pretty good deal if you ask me. And stay tuned for future review at technave.com. See you guys next time. Abel out.